Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. In this month's recipe, I'm using everyday ingredients we all have at home. And if not, they're easily obtained. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best air-fried salmon. Curious? Let's go. Here's what you'll need. The 0.3 grams you're seeing in the spices is just another way of saying a pinch. You know, like a pinch of salt. The first step is to pat each salmon fillet dry. Now take half a tablespoon of mustard and cover the salmon. You didn't see that. Using the spoon, spread it all over. I like to cover it on the sides as well, but you don't have to do that. Place the salmon on the air fryer tray and then add the spices. I used salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and since I didn't have any garlic powder, I left it out. Into the air fryer it goes. 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes, and that's it. You can serve it with some beans, a salad, or go as I did with some potato wedges. I wanted to show how it looks like, but it was so flaky it just fell apart. Look at that, crispy on the top, juicy in the center, simply perfect. And there you have it, a quick and easy salmon recipe you can make in no time. So let me know in the comments below which sides you serve this with. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!